Good afternoon, this is Elliot here at Dash Trucks with another one of our walk around videos. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all of our available inventory as we list it. Our phone number and website are going to be down in the description. Bit of a windy one here today, so bear with me. Today we've got a 2017 Freightliner M2 106. This is an 18-foot box with a pull-out ramp. Now this is a GVWR 33,000 pound truck, so this is a CDL truck, FYI. We've got some Bridgestone tires on the front here. Steps on the side here have been repainted. This truck's got a 80-gallon diesel tank here, as well as an engine block heater for those cold winter months. Nice big def tank on the driver's side here. The box has been repainted with a nice fresh coat of white. And the chassis has been repainted as well with an anti-rust chassis saver paint. Keeps any existing rust from spreading and any new rust from forming. Got some Goodyear tires on the rear here. Got about a foot left on those. A couple of Supreme mud flaps on the back there. Again, this truck does have a pull-out ramp. It's a Randall Ramps pull-out ramp. Go ahead and take a look in the box here. This truck comes equipped with 4 rows of Etrack. Can't imagine you'd have any trouble tying anything down in this truck. It's also got a side access door. The box is in great condition. And the side door has a couple of steps to get up there. Passenger side steps have been repainted as well. Not to mention the wheels were also repainted with a fresh coat of white, as well as the front bumper with the anti-rust chassis saver paint. Got a nice bug grill guard here. This truck is looking great. Let's go ahead and have a look at the interior. Now, taking a look at the interior here, this truck, like all of our vehicles, has been thoroughly detailed inside and out. This truck has an air driver's seat for a nice comfortable ride. This truck is also equipped with air brakes. Nice push button automatic shifters here. Also has heated mirrors and a dump switch to lower the vehicle. Radio has MP3 and Bluetooth capabilities. Let's go ahead and fire this thing up. Now, this particular truck has 95,801 miles. And as you can see, no lights on the dash. The truck is looking and running great. Let's go ahead and take a look at the engine. look under the hood here. This truck comes equipped with an 8.9 liter i6 Cummins engine, coupled with an automatic Allison transmission. We've also detailed under the hood here to give you an idea of what sort of condition it's in. Oil and oil filter have been changed, and the rest of the filters and fluids have been checked and changed as needed. We sure do love these red engines. Looking and running great, and it's ready to get to work. And there you have it, folks, a 2017 Freightliner M2 106 rear-wheel drive 18-foot truck with a pull-out ramp, an 8.9 liter i6 Cummins engine, automatic Allison transmission, 4 rows of Etrack in the box, an 80-gallon diesel tank, engine block heater, air brakes and an air seat, as well as heated mirrors and a Bluetooth capable radio. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.